Oh, goodness. Is it possible? This is dumb, right? I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't do this. Yep. Alright, come on, we got this. Okay. We can get that, right? Alright, let's get it. Right over my head, so if I do drop, I guess I can look at the thing and cry about it. Hey, this quad was working just fine. Let me do some stupid tricks so that it won't anymore. Okay, so there is a bar on the left. Nope. This is scary. There we go. Okay. Nope. I can do this. I do see that it is 2 levels, and I can do both of them. Baby steps. Okay, so let's... fuck it, let's just go for it. Okay. I'm going to say that the reason this is not working well is this, and not my shitty fly. Okay. Come on. No guts, no glory, right? That person scared me. I saw them scooting underneath. I just didn't know what it was.